Chicken lovers, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chef Amos and I'm here to show you how to make this delicious soup or stew that is popularly found from the southeastern part of Nigeria among the Igbos. As an Hausa girl, I would like you to try this soup and let me know what you think about it. So I don't have goat meat. Let me start with that. I'll be using lamb for this soup. You can use goat meat or any protein of choice. I'll wash and add my meat to the pot, some shaki, which is tribe, and then I'll cut some onions and add. I can't cook my protein without onions, so if you don't add onions, I'm sorry. Add some salt, seasoning, some Cameroon pepper, then ginger and garlic powder, and then I will stir everything and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I will add more water and allow this to cook until it is fully soft or cooked. Once your meat is fully cooked, don't discard the stock, set it aside and proceed it. I want to show you how I hydrate my Ijebu pommo. Just add a few pieces into the water and allow it to stay overnight. I got all this, by the way, from udyfoods. You can check them out on Instagram and place your orders. So I added my dried pommo into the water and let it sit overnight, and this is what we have. I'm just scraping the dark parts, cleaning, and then I'll be cutting that into smaller chunks or cuts. Because I don't have the strength to start pounding palm nuts, extracting the paste and all of that, I'm going to use my ready-made banga soup paste, and then I'll be adding that into my pot. This is of course also from udyfoods. I'll add my pommo, my cooked lamb meat, my cooked shaki, stock fish from one and only udyfoods, and then some stock water. Add in enough water, and you're not making Ofe Akwu without ogiri, so add enough ogiri, plenty crayfish, onions, salt and seasoning, Cameroon pepper and banga spice. You can get all this from udyfoods. Get some fresh pepper, pound that till it's in bits, and then add it to your stew. Give everything a good stir. You need to mix this very well, and then cover and let it simmer until you see oil floating on top and it's thickened a little bit. I don't really like mine very thick, so keep an eye on this. Okay, so this is what it looks after simmering for some minutes, and as you can see, it has taken up a bit and oil is literally floating on top. This is when you know your soup is almost ready. So I'll be adding this the bone fish fillet that I also got from udyfood, more crayfish, and then some scent leaves. I did not have ugu to add, so I just used scent leaf for this. Add in your scent leaves and then give everything a good stir. The reason why I did not add my dry fish earlier is because I don't want it scattered in the soup. I love to see a bit of it, so that's the reason for that. So I cover that and allow it to cook further for like 1 minute, and my soup is ready. Look at this stew. By the way, they eat this with white rice, but I was tempted to make eba or at least pounded yam and enjoy this soup, but then I had to try eating this with white rice, just to have that taste and just confirm the hype about the stew, and I did not regret making this stew. By the way, I love the stew, sorry, and I know I will definitely be making more soon. So how did I do? I'm here with another good news. UD Food will be offering free delivery to all northern states in Nigeria. Check them out on Instagram at udyfoods and order your food condiments from them. Reliable, great customer service, and quality products. Okay, bye.